Let us talk about the check stock once again. So today the stock is down for almost 5.47%. The first candle was a big red candle. After that, some fluctuation is seen in this stock. After then, in last time, some buying is seen in this chart. So if you look at it carefully, you will see that at last moment there is some green candle showing here. Now if you look at the last 5 days return, you will see that this stock has given a return of around 6.83%, where there is an uptrend is seen in this stock, and after some consolidation there is a huge downtrend is seen from this point, and in last time the stock consolidate for some moment. Now in last 1 month the stock performed very well and given a return of around 45% after giving a negative return of around 33% in last 6 months. The main reason for this stock to be going in downtrend is because of its business is huge affected due to the AI contents or AI solutions or whatever you can see it, because you already know that the check business is fully based on student service, and also some of check business is related to books and all these things, but the main revenues generated from the subscription base. Due to the coming of chat gpt, some of the basic questions of like science, math, chemistry, biology can be easily solved by the chat gpt. Like some theory question you can easily get it in chat gpt. That's why the check business is majorly suffer, and that's why the revenue as well as the net income is down, and the stock seen a sudden fall in last 1 year, or even in last 5 years the stock is down for almost 93%. If you look at the chart of last all time, you can see this stock perform very well from here to here. Even in 2021 the stock performance was very good and stock has given an exponential return, but due to the coming of chat gpt, the stock falls sudden and the stock loses all its values, and stock is down for almost 95 to 98% from its upper high value. Now if you look at the chart pattern, you can see that this chart pattern looks like this. A First the chart made a very good high. After that the chart made so low that it touches almost its ipo price and even less than the ipo price in the coming in the last 1 year. Now let us discuss about what technicals are saying for this stock. Now if you look at the check technical analysis, you can see the technical chart for 1 day is still for buying in buying zone. Now if you look at the moving average, then you will see that the recommendation is for a strong buying zone. Now if you look at the chart ratio, then 6 out of all is saying for sale, whereas 8 saying for neutral, whereas 12 saying for buying. Now if you look at the moving average, then buying ratio is 11 whereas selling ratio is 3, whereas oscillator says that to sell for 3 ratio, neutral for 7, and 1 for buying. So in oscillator there is sell call, and in summary there is a buy call. Note that this video is completely for educational purpose. No buying or selling is given here. Now if you look at last 1 month chart, then you in the summary you can see the technical analysis say to sell this stock. Now let us talk about some more thing related to check. So if you consider the overall chart, you will see that technically the chart does not looks very good, but if you consider for some momentum, then you can see its chart and can analyze for whether you can trade for 1 2 days or whether you can do intraday in this stock.